Are those fine lines and wrinkles causing a frown? Fear not, for the solution lies in the magic of nature's bountiful oils. Presenting the 8 miracle oils for flawless, wrinkle-free skin. Leading the pack is Argan oil. Brimming with antioxidants and fatty acids, it moisturizes and nourishes the skin, easing away those wrinkles and fine lines. On its heels is Rosehip oil. A natural powerhouse of vitamins A and C, it boosts collagen production, smoothing out wrinkles and gifting your skin a youthful glow. Next up is Jojoba oil. Boasting a molecular structure similar to our skin's natural oils, it absorbs easily, moisturizing and protecting your skin while enhancing its elasticity. The result? Soft, supple skin that is a delight to behold. Now turn your attention to sweet almond oil. This oil, with its rejuvenating properties, stimulates cell turnover and fortifies your skin's structure, visibly reducing signs of aging. Pomegranate seed oil makes its entry next. Teeming with antioxidants, it wages a war against free radicals that are responsible for wrinkles, leaving your skin radiant and youthful. Next in line is the evening primrose oil. Known for its high levels of omega-6 fatty acids, it hydrates and nourishes your skin, smoothing out wrinkles and leaving your skin feeling luxuriously soft. Then we have avocado oil. Its ultra-hydrating properties seep deep into the skin, restoring moisture and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Finally, we round off with coconut oil. This all-rounder oil is packed with nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, offering intense hydration and promoting skin firmness. It's the secret to a youthful, radiant complexion. So there you have it, the 8 miracle oils that can help you bid farewell to wrinkles. Give them a try and witness the transformation from dull, wrinkled skin to a smoother, younger-looking complexion. Embrace this newfound confidence and let your skin do the talking.